Welcome to Tech Archive. In this video, I will tell you about good prompt and bad prompt and show you how it works. It is very easy. You have to keep some tips in mind and you will see clear difference. Search Artflow AI and open first link. In homepage, click Create Image and write your prompt, what you want to make with AI. And then select style, which you want, like realistic, animated, 3D cartoon, etc., and click Generate it. Here are some images. These are not bad, but you can make them more beautiful. Now watch and listen carefully. First, make picture in mind and clear your concept, like for which purpose you are making picture. Second, write every detail like colors, dress, style, extra details, gender if there are characters in your image, quantity in your prompt, and then you will see clear differences.